Hey everyone, just a quick tutorial today on how to replace the battery inside your Model S key fob. I'm replacing this because on my car it said that my key fob battery was low. So to do this, obviously you'll need your key fob. You'll also need a 2032 watch battery. I got this 2-pack from Coles for about $8. You'll also need a flathead screwdriver, and what you want to do is just pop it inside that gap there, and at about a 45-degree angle just gently pop it open like that. Doesn't take too much force. So at this point you want to gently, again, all this is very gently, pop it open, and it should just slide forward like that, and you'll see the battery right there. As you see, the old battery is also 2032. True to form, it's a Panasonic, and what you want to do at this point is put your screwdriver in this gap and just pry it out gently. It'll pop open like that. Next, you want to get your battery, your new battery. Okay, so with your new battery, this one's the Energizer, new one, CR2032. Pop it inside there, this way first, and then just gently snap it into place, like that. Then you want to get the cover. Okay, so this is the tricky bit now. You'll see on the end of this plastic bit, there is a bit of a hook to it, and that latches onto the top bit of the key fob there. So just gently push it in there, like so. And you want to push it down firmly, like that, and there. And that's quite secure now. Might take a couple of turns for you to get that in there, but trust me, it's pretty secure now. So there it is, there's the key fob with the new battery. Let's go test it out. Okay, so here we are in the garage. I'm just going to test it now. Awesome. It seemed to work pretty well. Let's unlock it. Very good. Alright guys, well that seemed to work pretty well with the battery change. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and as always, happy charging.